Hello everyone, I'm back with the next video, and this video belongs to the Nmap. So without delay, let's start. So I'll just open my Kali Linux in VirtualBox. So after opening that, I'll just open my terminal and I'll open here Nmap. With help I'll open because this will provide me more information. So after that, today I'll just teach you how to scan specific port and save them. So before that, I'll just scan a simple website at first, that is scanme.nmap.org. I'll not scan any personal website because that may cause some problems, so I have scanned those website which is provided by Nmap only. Okay, now see, it has scanned 1000 port, so due to that it takes 16.92 second time to scan. So another thing I want to say is, by default our Nmap will scan 1000 port, but it can scan up to 6500 port. So you can see here, out of 1000 scan port, 996 port are closed, only 4 are open. Okay, so you can see here only 4 port are opening. So now you can select the port you want to attack. Okay, so which port you want to attack, now just select it. See here, we have scanned 1000 port, but we all know we are not going to attack all port, we will only attack one port at a time. So in hacking, this way of scanning all port at a time is bad practice because it consumes more time to scan all port which you don't need. So what hacker or penetration tester will do is, he will have some specific service to attack. So for example, see, we have here 4 service which are open, that is SSH, HTTP, nping, echo, elite. So whichever port I want to attack, okay, so I'll just choose that port. So today I'll attack this 80 port, that is HTTP. And along with that, I'll also show you how to save data or scan, because when we scan use system, then we may have lots of data available there, and sometimes beginners accidentally close the terminal, due to which all data will be deleted. So due to which our lots of time will be waste, because huge scan can take many hours, sometimes even a day to complete. So by mistake, if such file is removed due to terminal close, then we will be use time loss. So we'll have use time loss. So to save result is a good practice in the case of ethical hacking. So let's start our scan. So before that, I just need my subnet IP, because today I'll scan my subnet to see which ports are open, and along with that I will also save those scanning. So before that, I'll just see my IP. So for that I just need to use ifconfig. Okay, I need to use with the sudo, because to see this ifconfig, root privilege is required. So I have user sudo, so I'll put here passport. So see here, now you can see here, okay, it is showing my IP. So I'll just scan this IP today, 10.42.0.1, and you can see here netmax is 255. Okay, netmax means its maximum range. Okay, means it can start from 1 and it can go up to 255. Okay, that is the range. So I'll scan here now to see which port are open. So for that I'll use your nmap, then I'll use your minus small o and capital G. Okay, this small o and capital G means it is gripable output. Okay, so which means it is a simple format that lists each host on one line. So after that I'll do again minus, then again space. So I'll put my now IP, so 10.42.0.1, then I'll put okay I'll use 1.0, then I'll use 255, because I want to scan all range IP, okay, from 0 to 255. So after that I want to scan a specific port, so I'll write again minus p. Okay, then I want to scan port 80. I have said already I want to scan HTTP. So after that I'll use here verbose. Okay, verbose means it will basically give information about the scan, and I have used a double p. Okay, means double verbose, which will provide more information about the scan. So after that I have said I will save the file also. So to save the file, use this symbol, then after that symbol write a file name. After this arrow symbol, write file name. I'll save in results.txt file. So whatever data I'll scan from here, I'll save in results.txt. So I'll just start my scanning. So it will take a little bit of time. Okay, now you can see here, okay, our scan is completed. So I'll just go to that file, okay, where my that scan has saved results. So I have saved in the cyber. Okay, so you can see here, okay, my file, okay, whatever I have created, that file was results.txt. so you can see here my result.txt appear here. So I'll just open that file. So see here, I have opened this file. Okay, so now see here, it has scanned. So it has scanned our port, that is TCP. Okay, so it has scanned this port. So among that scan, okay, so you can see here all port are down. Okay, so I don't know why all port are down today. Okay, all port are down. So see, I have scanned, you can see here in this top, you can see here Nmap OG. Okay, so I have scanned port 80. Okay, so you can see here I have scanned, but I don't know why today all port are down. So I'll just check little download because it has scanned 255 ports. So I'll check if there is some port off, because down means we cannot connect to that. Okay, so it should be off. So I'll just see whether any port are off or not. Okay, now see here, okay, it has scanned 256 IP address. Okay, 0 host means, so our one also host is not up. Okay, so every host are down only. So it has taken 103.93 seconds. So it has all hosts down. Okay, so one also host it is not up. So I'm sorry for that. Okay, so I don't know why all hosts are down today. So all hosts are down. So anyway, in this way you can scan your subnet IP. So here I have done scanning for a specific port. Okay, so if you want to do scanning for all, then you can use this command. Okay, you can use this command, means you can just remove that. Okay, you can just remove that port. Okay, so you can see here to scan all. Okay, I have scanned in that above, I have scanned specific port. So if you don't want to scan specific port, if you want to scan all at a time, then you can just remove this port. Okay, so once you remove this port, then other all code are same, just remove that port. Okay, so then you can okay, you can change this result. Okay, I'll change here. Okay, I'll write hacks.txt. okay, so I'll run this file. So let us see whether if any port is open in this case or not. Okay, now see, this also is scanning, it has finished. Okay, so you can see in the above we have scanned for the specific port, but in the second case we have scanned all at a time. So let us take in that scanning. Okay, so we have done this x.txt. so I'll open this. So you can see here also it has scanned 1000 port. Okay, so you can see here port is scanned TCP and it has scanned 1000 ports. So you can see here we have scanned for all port. We haven't mentioned any specific port. So let us see whether any ports are up or not. So let us see whether any ports are up or not. Okay, here also see no, 0 hosts are up. Okay, so it has take 103.79 seconds. Okay, so here also no any ports are up, so I'm sorry for that. So anyway, see here you can scan in this way. Okay, so if you want to scan for a specific port, so you can use like kind of command, or you can use in this way. And don't forget to save the result. Okay, because the saving the result is good practice, because when you save that results, you don't need to scan the same port or same thing again and again. Okay, that will save our time. So every time when you also scan this, okay, scan any port or scan anything, then try to save that in the text form as a result, or try to save that output, so that it will save your time. Okay, so this is the good practice. So you also follow like kind of saving the result. Okay, so follow this habit. So I have shown you today how to attack the specific port. Okay, or how to attack all the port. Okay, and how to save them. So among these two, okay, to attack the specific port, that is a good practice, and to save that result, that is also good practice. So you also follow to attack the specific port and saving the data. Okay, this much for this video. So in next video we'll explain in more detail about the Nmap. We'll do more scanning, we'll learn more other technique of scanning in next video. Okay, this much for this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Okay, thank you, bye, have a nice day.